Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about Indian Standard Code Important Points IS 1200. Indian Standard 1200 1992 Part 1 Earthwork. Measurements IS 1200 Part 1, page number 1 CL 2.3. Each dimension shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 m. Areas shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 meter square. And cubical contents shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 cubic meter. Not consider in MB work to be measured separately. IS 1200 Part 1, page number 1 CL 2.4. Work in or underwater. Work in or under foul situations. Work under tidal conditions. Work in snow. Authorized working space shall be special in each case. Where authorized working space is not so specified, the following shall apply. IS 1200 Part 1, page no 3 CL 4.2.5.1. 600 mm measured from the face of substructure, including protective measures, if any, at the lowest level, where extra working space is required. In addition, trenches, which are to receive post-tensioned concrete ground beams, the extra length at each the end shall be 1.5 m. When the measurement of excavation in square meter surface excavation is 1200 Part 1, page no 3 CL 4.6. Excavation exceeding 1.5 m in width as well as 10 square meter on a plan but not exceeding 300 mm in depth shall be described as surface excavation and measured in square meters. IS 1200 1974 Part 2 Concrete Works Measurements / Dimension, IS 1200 Part 2, page number 3 CL 2.4. Unless otherwise stated, all work shall be measured net in the decimal system as fixed in its place as given in below point number 1 to below point number 3. Any work is done extra over the specified dimensions shall be ignored. Dimensions shall be measured to nearest 001 m except for the thickness of slab which shall be measured to nearest 0005 m. Areas may be worked out to the nearest 001 square meter. Cubic contents shall be worked out to the nearest 001 cubic meter. No deduction shall be made for the following. IS 1200 Part 2, page no 6 CL 4.1.8. Ends of dissimilar materials, for example, beam, ports, girders, purlins, trusses, corbels, and steps up to 500 cm 2in cross-section. Opening up to 0.1 m2or as specified. The volume occupied by reinforcement. The volume occupied by pipes, conduits, sheathing, etc., not exceeding 100 cm to EACH in cross-sectional area or as specified. Small voids, such as the shaded portions in as per below figure, when these do not exceed 40 cm to EACH in cross-section. Stops, miters, returns, rounded ends, junctions, dishing, etc., in connection with linear or super labors. Note, in calculating the area of an opening, the thickness of any separate lintel or sill shall be included in the height. No extra labor for forming such an opening or voids shall be measured. Indian Standard 1219/76 Part 3 Brickwork Measurements is 1200 Part 3, page number 4 CL 2.3. Each dimension shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 m. Areas shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter. And cubical contents shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 cubic meter. Work to be measured separately is 1200 Part 3, page number 5 CL 2.7. Work in or under water. Work in or under foul situations. Work under tidal conditions. Work in snow. Work in liquid mud. No deductions or additions shall be made on any account for the following: IS 1200 Part 3, page number 7 CL 4.1.4. Ends of dissimilar materials, that is, joists, beams, lintels, posts, girders, rafters, purlins, trusses, corbels, steps, etc., up to 0.1 square meter. In section. Opening up to 0.1 square meter. In the area, see note. Wall plates, bed plates, and bearing of slabs, chadjas, and the like, where thickness does not exceed 10 cm, and the bearing does not extend over the full thickness of the wall. Cement concrete blocks as for holdfasts and holding down bolts. Iron fixtures, such as wall ties, pipes up to 300 mm diameter, and holdfasts for doors and windows. And chases of section not exceeding 50 cm in girth. Note: in the calculating area of an opening, any separate lintel or sills shall be included with the size of the opening, but end portions of lintel shall be excluded, and the extra width of a rebated reveal, if any, shall also be excluded. Circular brickwork, IS 1200 Part 3, page number 8 CL 5. Brickwork circular on a plan to a mean radius not exceeding 6 m shall be measured separately and shall include all cutting and waste and templates. Brickwork circular on a plan to a mean radius exceeding 6 m shall be measured separately and included with general brickwork. Cutting holes in brickwork, I.S 1200 Part 3, page number 11 CL 23. Cutting holes through brickwork, including making good, shall be measured per centimeter of the depth of cutting and shall be classified as follows. Holes not exceeding 400 ms in area, and holes were exceeding 400 ms and not exceeding 0.1 square meter. In area. Broken glass coping in brickwork, IS 1200 Part 3, page number 10 CL 18. Broken glass coping laid along with brickwork shall be measured in square meters and described, stating the thickness of mortar and weight of broken glass per square meter of coping. Filleting in brickwork, IS 1200 Part 3, page number 10 CL 17. Filleting is a mortar, as in flashings on roofs, shall be described and measured in running meters, stating shape and the sectional area of fillets. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.